In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Axiom and trade meme coins. Now, the first thing you want to do is, of course, create an Axiom trade account. And there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. So once you come on the website I linked down below, you want to click on Start Trading over here. And then as you can see, you'll be able to sign up with either Google or Phantom. So you can continue with Google or connect with Phantom. But before you do this, you will have to put in the invite code, which you can use my invite code, as I said, for 10% off all trading fees. It's just IHT, so you can type that in, and then you can continue with Google, with Phantom, or you can enter in your email and just sign up via this. So once you do this, you will get access to basically Axiom Trade. So let me just really quickly log in over here and I'll show you what this looks like. So just in a second over here, let me log in. There we go. So I'll just continue with my Google account over here. And in a second, it's going to log in. There we go. So once you are inside Axiom Pro over here, the first thing you should do is, of course, top up. And you should, of course, deposit some Solana so you can start yourself with some trading. And the way you do this is just by going to deposit over here. It's this blue button and it says deposit over here. You've got your deposit address and then you can put that or simply buy it through Coinbase directly by clicking buy through Coinbase over here. Or, of course, send it to your Axiom wallet via a different wallet. So, for example, you can use MetaMask, Phantom, or whatever you may be using. Now, once you've done this, and once you have yourself some Solana, you can then start trading. But before trading, what I would recommend is to actually set up your presets and your filters. So over here, as you can see, you can select presets. So you have preset 1, 2, and 3. You can select buy or sell settings, and then slippage, priority, and bribe. So once you've done that, you can then go to polls over here, where you can see the new pairs final stretch and migrated. And this is actually where the magic happens and where you will be doing majority of your meme coin trading. So the first thing I would do, if you want to filter out some of those scams, but of course it's not going to filter out all of them, even though if you use filters, likely 99% of the coins will still be scams, so it's no foolproof way. You can just click over here, and then you can select different filters. Now, the ones I use, I'm going to show you right now, but you don't have to use them. I'm no financial advisor. I just want to show you what I do and what I prefer. You can use them if you want to, but if you don't want to, that's cool as well. You can basically adapt these or change them, but most of the people don't even use filters at all. So just know that. So what I do under new pairs, I leave it on pump, and then under audit, I just put dev holding to max 10% and then bundle to max 20%. What I do in metrics is basically nothing, as well as in socials. And inside final stretch, I also only basically use the pump protocol, and then under audit, I use 10% max dev holding, and then bundle 20% and the minimum of 40 holders. Under migrated, I do 3 things as well. I usually put age maximum 60 minutes, and then dev holding max 5%, then bundle, I use 15% at max, and then at least 75 holders. So that's basically just what I do. If you want to copy me, you can just click apply all, and you'll be doing that. And yeah, that's how you basically set up your Axiom, and you can then start trading meme coins. Of course, you can just click on a different on a particular meme coin. For example, this one over here, just as an example. And you can then buy it and sell it in here, as you can see, and you can see the prices. You can buy market, limit, or advanced over here. So you can, of course, set up this as you wish to, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.